Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for any firearm enthusiast, the Allen Company Gun Cleaning Kit. We discovered this compact and universal cleaning kit online, and we've included the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Allen Gun Cleaning Kit? It's a portable, comprehensive cleaning solution designed for handguns, rifles, and shotguns. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just starting out, this kit is a great way to maintain your firearms in peak condition. Now, let's break down some of the most important features of this cleaning kit. First off, it comes with two brass cleaning rods, one specifically for shotguns and the other for rifles and pistols. Brass is an excellent material for cleaning rods as it's softer than steel, which helps to avoid scratching the bore of your firearms. Next, the kit includes a variety of cotton swabs tailored for different calibers. You get swabs for .270, .30, .38-.357, .410 bore, as well as 12 gauge and 20 gauge. This means you have the right tools for a range of firearms, making it versatile for various shooting sports. In addition to the swabs, you'll find brushes for calibers including .17, .22, .270, .30, and .38-.357, as well as .40, .45, .410 bore, and 12 gauge and 20 gauge. These brushes are designed to effectively clean out fouling and debris from your barrels, ensuring that your firearms function smoothly. The kit also comes with slotted tips for .22, .30, and .357, along with a shotgun adapter and a .17 caliber adapter. These attachments allow you to customize your cleaning experience, making it easier to reach those tricky spots in your firearm. Now, who is this cleaning kit suitable for? Well, if you're a beginner, this kit provides a straightforward and effective way to start learning about firearm maintenance. For more experienced shooters, it's an excellent addition to your cleaning arsenal. It's compact enough to take to the range or keep in your vehicle for on-the-go maintenance. Let's talk about some practical use cases. If you're heading out for a day at the range, having this cleaning kit on hand is a smart idea. You can perform quick cleanings between sessions or even right after a long day of shooting. Additionally, if you're a hunter, taking care of your firearm after a day in the field is crucial for its longevity. This kit provides everything you need to ensure your gun is clean and ready for your next adventure. The compact nature of this kit means it can easily fit in your range bag, making it incredibly convenient. Plus, the fact that it's made in the USA since 1971 speaks volumes about its quality and the trust that many gun owners have in the Allen Company. In summary, the Allen Gun Cleaning Kit is a well-rounded solution for anyone looking to keep their firearms in top condition. With its variety of tools and compact design, it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned shooters alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.